Hi everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Woocommerce with Merchize Fulfill. If you're looking to sync your products, automate fulfillment, and streamline your e-commerce store, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the process in clear, structured steps from start to finish. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your accounts. Before we start, make sure you have a Woocommerce store, a Merchize account. If you don't have a Merchize account yet, head over to merchize.com and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're ready, we can set up the connection. Step 2. Set up connection settings. First of all, you must adjust some settings in Woocommerce. This ensures your site is ready for Merchize to connect. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Let's enable the Legacy REST API. In the left menu, hover over Woocommerce, select Settings. Go to Advanced, click Legacy API. Tick Enable the Legacy REST API. Click Save Changes. Next, we will update permalink settings. In the left menu, hover over Settings, select Permalinks. Under Permalink Structure, choose anything except plain. For this, we will select Day and Name. Under Product Permalinks, choose anything except Default. For this, we will go with Shop Base. Click Save Changes. Step 3. Connect your Woocommerce store. Now, head over to your Merchize seller dashboard. Click Integrations from the left-hand menu and select Woocommerce from the options. Enter a name for your Woocommerce site. Make sure the name is easy to recognize, especially if you'll connect more than one store. Paste your Woocommerce site address below. Now, click Connect. You will be redirected to Woocommerce. Click Approve to complete the connection. To check the connection status from Merchize dashboard, go to Integrations, then Woocommerce. Here, you'll see a list of all connected Woocommerce stores and their connection status. If the status shows as active, you're all set. And that's it. Your stores are now integrated. If you have any issues, double-check your settings or contact Merchize support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. See you next time.